Well, hello, my beautiful and amazing crafters. Welcome to another video of Crafting with Shaneda. Today, I just want to show you how to upload the design that I created on my Etsy shop for the Pacifier Lip Balm holder. This design template will be a SVG and a PNG file, and you could bring the SVG right into Cricut Design Space. Here are the items that you'll need for the template. I consider this just a template, just a foundation. You can cut it just as is and add a little bow as you see here, or you could even add to it, which I'll show you how to do today. So once you bring the design into Cricut Design Space, it will be already pre-sized. You don't have to resize it. It'll be all ready to go. And I'll have the dimensions listed in my listing and the description box below. So what I decided to do, I decided to cut it out on two different type of cardstock, and you want to use a heavy cardstock for this design. I'm going to cut it out of white cardstock, a shimmery white cardstock, and a rose gold or pink cardstock. And I'll place it one on top of the other just like this. Here I just did a little offset. I typed in the word "oh baby" and did a slight offset to give it a little bit more dimension. And I'm going to send it to make it and cut it with my Cricut Explore Air 2. I have a lot more templates that I'll be adding to my Etsy shop, and I'll definitely show a step-by-step video, so stay tuned for that. If there's a specific template that you're looking for and you want me to make it, I would love to do so. Just let me know in the comments section below. Since I'll be using heavy cardstock for this project, I'm going to make sure I have my settings for the correct cutting pressure. Now, like I stated before, you can just leave them as is. They're adorable. They come out so cute. But I'm going to add some foam dots to just give it a little bit 3D dimension. And it will not interfere with when I go to place the lip balm in the holder. My templates that I create are going to be just a guide for you to use to make your event special and memorable. I've got these little pink bows from Amazon. I'll have them linked in the description box below, and I thought that added a special touch to the pacifier. So once I was done, I thought they came out really cute, but I wanted to add a little bit more pizzazz. So using my embosser, I went ahead and embossed one of the templates to give you a view of what it looks like. And then I just placed the lip balm in between. So you can leave it embossed for a nice embossed look, or just as it is with the shiny cardstock. Well, I hope you try out this SVG file. I hope it works out, and I will see you on the next video of Crafting with Shaneda.